Hey guys, today we are doing unboxing of this Craftsman tool 5 tool combo kit. I paid about 150 bucks, got it from Lowe's. So let's do the unboxing and let's see what's inside. So I just opened the box, and the first thing that comes right out, it comes with a very nice bag. Put all the tools in. It's a good size, spacious bag. You know, see, I believe it can hold all the tools, all the 5 tools in it. So I wasn't expecting it. I did not know that it's gonna come with a bag, so that's a plus. Real nice. And on top of that, there's a small screw here. There's a charger, Craftsman charger. Some manuals, instruction manuals, you know. What else? I'll come with 2 batteries. Oh, let's get that. So here it is. First 2. Well, wow, very good quality, heavy duty Craftsman. And let's see what else. So that was a here's the power drill. Another very good quality, heavy duty, just what I expected. Here's the second. So let's see what else. So we got this, we got that. 2 of the 5 tools out. Box. Let's take those out. Then we have some of these tools. Not sure what these are. Then we have a flashlight. Another very useful tool. Very good quality tool, you know. Battery operated. Very nice. And here is that metal oscillating stuff. My bad guys, I'm not familiar with these things. I have never used these things. So this is called oscillating tool. So Craftsman, it has a dial over here. I believe those extensions that I showed earlier belong to this. So this oscillating tool. Very heavy duty stuff. They feel heavy, which means good quality. Oh, here are the 2 batteries. I was really excited about these batteries. I've heard very good things about these batteries. They're life, they're long lasting, they're good quality, and I'm really glad that this $150 5 tool combo set comes with 2 Craftsman batteries. Beautiful batteries. So one is right here, and another one. Right here, and another battery right here. So I'm really glad with this purchase, but my main reason that I wanted to buy this thing is I want to have a little project going this winter that involves wood cutting. So this is a circular saw by Craftsman, very heavy duty. Ooh, yes, it has a very nice grip to it. You can see the quality. Craftsman. You get the saw separately, install that in. You can install these batteries in right here. All of these equipments, all 5 of these, they're all battery operated. Very good quality. I must say, I was not expecting them to be this good quality, or maybe I was not getting a good quality equipment before. And the finishing on these products are real nice. They really feel durable when you hold them in your hands. I'm highly impressed with the price, and also greatly impressed that it comes with 2 Craftsman batteries. I hope you like this review, unboxing of this. Go get yourself one. I would highly recommend. It's only $150, and currently it's available maybe on other stores, but I got it off Lowe's. So all right guys, everyone, thank you.